Welcome to our tutorial on the scaling command. Let's start by activating the scaling command. Under Reference, let's select the origin point. For ratio, let's enter 0.5, Tab, and OK. I can expand the specification tree, and here is my parameter. Double-click to edit it. We can change the ratio to, let's say, 0.75. OK. Or I can double-click, and under Reference, I can select the ZX plane. Here's our preview. The part was scaled in the Y direction. I can drag the handles to change the ratio in the Y direction, or I can click the up and down arrows if I want to change the step. Let's right-click. Let's move this window a little. Right-click, select Change Step. New step. Let's say 0.5. Click OK. Let's change the ratio to 1. Tab. Clicking the up and down arrows adjusts our increments by 0.5. Let's click OK. Let me double-click on our feature. Under Reference, let's select this face. The solid now scales in the direction normal to this face. Once again, we can grab and drag this handle to adjust. Click OK. This concludes our tutorial on the scaling command.